What's up everyone, Toxie back with another video, and today is a tutorial video again. So I want to say thank you to everyone who liked my last video on how to get rid of a pop-up on a TCL TV. No way did I expect I would get 21,000 views, and I'm really thankful for that. Now, this video, I'm not making this video because I want to get more views. Well, that would be good, but that's not the point. I got this PlayStation alarm clock. Really good. I definitely recommend it. Yeah, I got this for Christmas. I'm only setting it up now because schoolwork and all that. But yeah, no, unfortunately I threw out the leaflet. So if you're watching this video, I'm sure you either just want to watch my video or you've lost your little leaflet on how to work it and all that. Or maybe you're just watching it anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna show everyone today all the features on it and how to set the time, how to set an alarm. So first of all, I'm just gonna show you how to set an alarm, because yeah, this one I just want to show you how to set an alarm first. But anyway, so what you want to do is you've got these buttons over here. Obviously triangle and square don't even work. You can only press X and circle. But yeah, what you want to do is you want to hold in circle or O or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, once you hold that in, you're going to see right here there's flashing. That means you're on your alarm side. This thing is your alarm. So what you want to do to control it is, say you wanted to make an alarm for 3:45. All you have to do is go here, use this, up, down, or whatever. You want to, so I'll just set mine to 3:45, so I'm going to go up, use this, I'm going to go up, oh shit, sorry, it stopped flashing because I left it too long. Yeah, go up, now it's at 3:30, and then to set my minutes, I'm going to press this, and now look, we're on the minutes now, so just going to keep going up till I get to 3:45. There we go, and now to set it, all you have to do is press circle again, and there we go, it's set. You should see that little bell icon come up, and yeah, so guys, that's how to set an alarm. And to set the time, now, the time is easy as well, it's really similar, but this time you're going to want to hold in X, not circle, X. So hold in X. Now look, your big numbers here, the time is flashing now. So whatever time zone or whatever time it is for you now, just key it in using these buttons here. Obviously you're going to use up and down or whatever just to get that time. So my time's right now, it is 1:59 p.m. Oh, wait. Yeah, so the AM and PM thing's okay. If you want to make it PM, just keep going down or go up, whatever. But yeah, and it go up and it'll say AM. So if you want to know whatever PM and AM is, it'll flash there. So 12:59, and it's actually 2 o'clock now for me. So I'm gonna set it to 2. And yeah, it's just 2, and it's just 2 o'clock right now for me now. So I'm gonna go up. Oh no, wait. Yeah, so I'm gonna go up. So now it's 2 o'clock. Not AM actually. So I'm gonna go back and just keep going down. Oh, why is that not working? PM. Yeah, so it's 2 PM. So there we go, just setting that, and there we go, it's all set. And yeah, so that's how to set an alarm, and that's how to change your time and all that on the PlayStation alarm clock. I hope this helps. I'm also gonna show what buttons you can use and what buttons you can't use, what ones are frozen. So the joysticks, frozen solid, both of them. PlayStation button can't press any of the triggers. the light doesn't, well, the light I think lights up sometimes. Yeah. Options and all that you can't choose. The only one you can press is the only one, sorry, you can press circle and X and these two buttons here. So yeah guys, I hope that helped out, and yeah, and also make sure you have the lead on the back. It's just USB. So yeah, I'll show you if this can open. There we go. Yeah, so it's this type of lead. So if you've lost yours, it's okay. I am sure you have some around the house somewhere. But yeah guys, hope that helped. And yeah, that's how the alarm will sound as well. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed. Please sub because I'm trying to get the 400 subs. Nearly there, but yeah, if this helped, please sub. Anyway guys, see you later. Bye.